Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply a liquifying effect to your photos in Canva. So type in anything you want. I'm just going to type in lollipop for the image to liquify. So I feel like that'd be pretty cool. Let's use this one. Actually, let me just do that and make it like a square. Place that in the middle. Then I'm going to go to the app section here and I'm going to type in Liquify. Select the Liquify app and select whichever one you want to use. You can adjust the melt amount here, the melt scale as well, the wobble amount, the wobble scale, the smear. You can select from each of these effects as well. I like this one and I'm just going to press save. That's how you can liquify an image in Canva. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.